Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making some Jamaican curry chicken. So over here in this bowl I have onions, habanero, ginger, pimento seeds, garlic, peppers, and thyme. And now I'm just going to season up my chicken that I washed up with lemon juice. I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning down in here. You want to get it nice and seasoned. I'm using the Lorren Caribbean curry powder, which is my favorite because it has a little spice to it. So it really picks up that curry flavor in your meat. You want to add it in here, mix it up. Well, we're not going to mix it up just yet. We're going to add the onions, pimento seeds, garlic, and ginger. You want to leave out the peppers and thyme for right now because I want texture in my gravy later on, so I'm not going to add it. So once you add all of that, you want to mix it up and allow it to marinate like 4 hours to up to overnight. And that's pretty much it for this step. Alright, so on this plate I have garlic, scallions, ginger, thyme, butter, and habanero. All of this is going to go inside of my rice and peas, which my peas is already cooking. That's my canned coconut milk. And I'm going to add half of that to the rice. In a screaming hot skillet, you're going to start adding your chicken. Please, guys, do not add your chicken to lukewarm pot or skillet. You will boil your chicken, and that's not what we're trying to accomplish here. Also, once you add all your chicken into your pot, you're going to put your heat on medium-low, cover it, and walk away. That's it. Alright, so now to my cooked peas, I'm going to add half a can of my coconut milk. You're also going to add all the other ingredients that I showed you guys just now, except for the habanero pepper, which we're going to put down in there in just a little bit. Once the liquid reduces, that's when we'll put the habanero down in there. I already washed my uncooked rice. I always wash my rice before I add it to a pot. So there we go. That's my cooked peas. The butter, the scallions is all down in there. So bring it back up to a boil. Then I'm going to start adding my uncooked long grain white rice to my peas. It smells so good in here. The garlic, I really love a lot of garlic in my rice and peas. I feel like it picks it up. And then you're gonna mix it up. Once you get to this step right here, it's basically perfect for adding your pepper because you don't want to bruise or break up your pepper in here. It's too hot. So I'm just going to add it right on top, cover it, and allow it to cook. Alright, so I'm going to make some juice. I have some fruit that's on their last leg. I have a whole bunch of ginger, strawberries, and watermelon. I'm going to pulse it all in a food processor and strain it, as I usually do with all my other juices on here. And yeah. Alright, once I strain my juice, I'm going to add a whole bottle of water to the juice, as per usual. I'm also going to add some pre-made lemon juice because the lemons in my supermarket just wasn't juicy enough for me, so I got the bottle. I'm also going to add some sugar, maybe just a cup of sugar, because I don't like it too sweet. Plus the fruits were actually really sweet, so I only needed a cup. Alright, so back to the chicken. Now we're going to add the peppers down in here and the habanero. And I still didn't add it yet. Okay, so we're going to add the peppers and the habanero down in here. Make sure you taste it for salt and pepper. And yeah, you're also going to add your thyme down in here. You're going to bump the heat up to about, a little over medium. Oh, you're also going to add the other half of the coconut milk. Make sure you shake it up. This is going to give it an extra creaminess. And then you're going to mix it up. Bump the heat up a little bit so everything can reduce. Your sauce can be nice and thick. I added no water to this, guys. Like, I literally added no water. So this is going to have huge flavor because all this is chicken juice. chicken gravy, chicken juice, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so the first vegetable that I'll be making is some zucchini. I'm just going to saute it up with some grill mates, roasted garlic, and herb spice. In another hot skillet, you're going to add it to some oil, some butter, just like this. And then you're just going to take the spice and pop it down in there. And that's pretty much it. I'm not doing much to the vegetables. I don't do much to vegetables. You know, at the end of the day, they're vegetables. You know, you don't want to kill them. So that's all I'm adding. And by the way, that grill made spice is really good. I really like it. So I use it a lot. Mix it up. Probably going to cook it another 1 or 2 minutes. And that's it for the veggie. Alright, so this is what the chicken looks like. It's perfect. The gravy is perfect. You can still see the bits of pepper down in there. This is why I put it last minute. My chicken is nice and tender. And I'm trying to focus so you guys can see it. And yep, that's pretty much it. Alright, so this is the plate. I have my well, let me show you the drink first. This is the drink. This is what it looks like. It's so good, y'all. I feel like juices taste better when you use fruit that's on their last leg because they're really sweet. But this is the plate. I served it up with some corn, of course, the rice and peas, some avocado, and the sauteed zucchini, like you guys seen earlier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Dinner was great, and I'll catch you guys next time.